Welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video walk around of this stunning 330e we have in F30 330e M Sport Saloon, one owner from new, around 50,000 miles with a full BMW main agent service history. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as giving you a close look at the condition. This is a very high spec car, presented in citrine black. I've only ever had a few of these come through. It makes a change from the standard black sapphire, and the paintwork is in absolutely flawless condition. Very clean car, only having had one owner from new. It's fitted with some really good factory options as well, which I'll talk you through. Let's start from the front. LED headlights, as it's the facelift model. We have the black kidney grills and three-piece front splitter, fitted expertly in-house. We replaced the standard 18-inch wheels with the 20-inch CS style satin black staggered wheels. Look very good with brand new tyres. This car is the M Sport Plus pack. As you can see, the blue brakes there. Plug-in hybrid, supplied with one charger. As from new, we fitted gloss black sidebars, upgraded mirror caps. This car has privacy glass as well. Gloss black rear spoiler and rear diffuser to match. LED tail lights and a generous sized boot. Battery is located under here, so if you notice the depth is slightly less than a standard 3 series, and that's why. This one has the optional split folding rear seats, which funnily enough wasn't a standard, so it's a really nice option if you're carrying things occasionally like golf clubs or a pram. If you've got no one in the back, or maybe on one side in the back, you can still use the facility of folding the seat down. Let's take a look at the interior. Again, lovely factory option from its first owner, individual white leather with the piping. As part of that, you get the cross-stitched door cards, really clean as well, and the centre armrest. Electric windows, electric mirrors, and there you see the diamond stitching continues. Really well looked after, really tidy seats. Automatic headlights, rain sensors, park sensors, front and rear, audio and visual playback. Professional widescreen navigation system, DAB radio, auxiliary Bluetooth phone and media playback. Let's take a look at the navigation, widescreen.
Navigation is not active.
And then we'll have a look at the service history for you. Next engine oil service in 6,000, front brakes in 21 and rear brakes in 49. Service history all at BMW, right the way from the pre-delivery all the way to the last service at 46. Car's currently on 56,000 miles. This has the innovation packs. You've got the USB charger, the professional nav and the head-up display there. Wireless charging as well, and we have the driving assistance pack with the lane warning system and collision warning. You don't find many e-drives with this spec. Physically in stock, ready to go. No library images used. This is the car physically here as you see it. HP and PCP available. You can quote yourself and apply on our website. If however you choose your funding elsewhere, if you have your own broker or you have a bank loan, that's no issue for us. Please give us a call. £250 reservation. All our cars are ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate your time. Thank you.